Today, I'm going to show you how you can use our iAuditor mobile app to conduct a kitchen cleaning checklist on the go. The one at the very top, the kitchen cleaning checklist, this is one that we've downloaded from the public library. If I hit Start Inspection, it first of all asks me to select which site I'm at. So let's imagine that I'm going around a different kitchen in a different building each time. I can select the city that that particular one is in. And that means later down the line, I can compare and contrast the results between all these different areas. The rest of the information on this page is automatically filled in: the date, the time, the location, and then I can move on to the main body of the inspection. So you'll see with the blue bars on here, this is split up into different sections. I have employees, food handling, etc. And I can now make my way around the kitchen, answer these questions as I need to. If I need to add more context, I can add any notes, I can use the camera to take photos, or I could create a corrective action to assign to somebody else. Then they would be able to resolve that issue and I could follow it through to completion. You'll see here we've got some reference images. So in this case, an example of how the floor could be clean. So you can compare your current situation to that and then mark the answer accordingly. Once we get to the end of the checklist, you'll see I've got the option here to make some recommendations. So maybe I'll put cleaning staff training. I can then give an overall pass or fail, sign off the inspection at the bottom, and then mark this as completed. And that's my inspection done. You can save so much time using the mobile app to do this. There's no report to create, and the likelihood of you getting anything wrong or lost is massively reduced.